bilateral investment treaty with India, one that builds on an incredible trading relationship that's already worth over £39 billion and already supports over 700,000 jobs across our two great countries. And I see day in, day out in my own city the huge relationship that already exists, but I know there's so much more that we could do. But the relationship we seek with India goes beyond trade alone. It really is a strategic partnership for economic security, for climate security, and for global security. And I think the thing that I wanted to say a little bit about tonight, and it's something that I really do want to pay tribute to Manoj and India Global Forum for, is the work on technology and AI. I think key to addressing many of these global challenges is harnessing these rapid developments in technology for the good of all our citizens. I know this is a theme that you have discussed. And for me, as Secretary of State for Work and Pensions, in a department that touches the lives of 20 million people every single year, and which has an annual spend of £290 billion, this is absolutely essential. Now, I know there are many in the room who've already been working with us, and we have good examples of the way we're trying to use AI to free up time of our staff in our job centres and to provide more personalised help and support to people looking for work. But there is so much more we can and must do.
The way in which primary care is being delivered, we can really learn from at a time when people are struggling to get a GP appointment and the front door to the NHS in our communities is broken. So I'm really excited by the work that's already taking place. But as Liz Kendall spoke powerfully about earlier, we are progressives, we are future-facing, future-orientated. I'm even more excited about the potential that we can unlock working together as friends, as partners. I'm determined to get out to India myself as soon as I possibly can, to see firsthand some of the amazing healthcare that's being designed and delivered, some of the amazing innovation and research that's taking place, and also to bang the drum for the UK and our bilateral friendship. Because if I think about the way in which the NHS has been shaped in the last 76 years, we owe so much to the Indian diaspora here in Britain. It was a generation that helped to build the NHS in 1948, and today we see the children, the grandchildren, even the great-grandchildren of that generation shaping its future. We owe so much to the Indian diaspora here in the UK, and when we see such enormous challenges in our health service, in our care service, when we look out to a very fragile and unstable world, it's very easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenge and beaten by the darkness. But this is a great time to celebrate the triumph of light over darkness as we celebrate Diwali. It is cliche, it is true also.